Welcome back at part 2. In part 2 about our series of this, I wake up at 8:45. I woke up at 8:45. I'm absolutely tired. And I'm not that much tired. Hey wait, did I got something new? Yo, Axel Blade. Yo, what is this? Oh, what the? Got too high? Ouch! Huh? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, one life left. This game is a try. I mean, the server that is a try hard. You gotta be kidding. I always have this try hard goofy. Yeah. Eh? I actually clicked. What the hell? I clicked it. What the? It feels so weird. Oh, I forgot. I could buy abilities, guys. I could buy invisibility. Oh my god, this is dumb gaming is calling me, guys. I don't know. That's yes. Alright, then we have a new guest today. He's here. He's back. Uh, oh, he's streaming. I could stream. Oh, this is so hard. Yeah, do you not know? Ah, am I lagging? My bro thought he's better than him. Oh, let's go. He already beat. Dang, bro, that sucks. Wait, you got a hot dog sword? Dang, it's a sausage sword. Yeah, mine's only one. Whoa, what the? Uh oh, I'm dead. No, I'm dead. Oh! Oh my god, I was almost dead. I thought I died, bro. Oh! Dang. Bomb the top two. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm the top two and I died. No! Bro, you know you could go now, right? Bro, stop being AFK now. Uh. Oh. Alright, guys. Oh, dang. You mean you don't have anything? I mean, oh. Hey. Oh, dang. Stop, people. Pew. Pew. Oogs. 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 Ooh, nice one. Now my bro's dancing. Ding. What the? But that was so confusing. What the? What was that, bro? What was that? I don't know. I don't know what kind of thing is that. Oh, I won! Yo, I won W. I never won. Huh? I don't know what ability am I gonna get, bro. What should I get? What? Oh, I forgot I got super jump. Bro, I'm in my ult. I got. Yeah, I'm in my. Oh. Oh, what the heck? Yeah. No, I'm not because I was AFK and didn't click that. No, it's not in game. Sad. You're using You're using your rapture? Oh, dang. Raptutut. Hahaha. Oh. Ay naman. Bro, you forgot that dude, bro. Oh, dang. Dang, you got another win. He's the top, guys. I got only 6 wins. That's quite bad. At the same time, quite good. Because in the meanwhile, I need to get 10 wins. At least. At this vid, guys, I need to get 10 wins. Yo, we're not gonna fight already, right? Ping! Oh, he knows. Ooh. He's gonna be a man. He's gonna go to the middle. Quite risky, bro. You're gonna be at the fighting arena, bro. Bagang. Ah! No! I tried to click. Bro, if you die, it's your fault, okay? Bro, why am I laughing this hard? Bro, invisibility is cheap today, bro. Last time when I buy invisibility, it was not cheap. Oh, it's Rapture. Oh, I thought he got pulled. I thought he got pulled, not copying. Oh, you got pulled? Oh, hell no, bro. Oh, that's a bad decision. He thought, bro. He thought. He thought, bro. He thought. Yeah, you are top one. What? Whoa, on the New Year's. Oh, this is a new one. TikTok. You be saying at social media. You'll be seeing this game at TikTok. Oh, my bro actually got you. My bro got you. My bro got you. TikTok. Yo, don't hit me, bro. Don't hit me, bro. I'm about to suck your balls. Oh, no. Dang, bro. You got swords. Yo. So close call, bro. Dude, that was so close. Bro, that was almost the clover hit, bro. No, it's on him. Target him. Oh, he did. It's me and Sheesh Dam Gaming, guys. We have been playing this game like 100 bajillion years. Bro, let's do a spam challenge then. No. No, I'm doing it. Dang. Guys, I died. Dang. Yeah, me too. I just played this game yesterday. I just played this game yesterday. Yeah. View. Oh, you were the first one to get hit. L plus ratio when you get the first one to get hit. Why? I need to do the greedy circle. Hey, boys, here I am. Dang. Oh, greedy circle. But I didn't saw that, bro. I almost didn't saw that. What the hell are you saying? Oh, dang. Target him. Do not target me, okay? If you target me, you're such a... Wow, yo, chill. Oh, no, I don't know how to use that ability. Okay, I did a new ability. I'm gonna still use dash. Okay, I'm gonna do the Ring of the Fire. And also classic, I guess. It's always 1 second when I'm always going training mode. Oh, Shivering Timbers. Now what the heck? Oh, why is this abilities? Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Yo, somebody's disrespecting me. Oh! Yeah, my God, I was only at your first death. Okay. Whoa, Jacob is just randomly going here. Whoa, Gojo is Jacob? Dang, bro, you might probably have like cold thing, bro. Oh, he dead. Wow, this guy is so annoying. It's, we're only getting targeted the ball. And only no one can know. Bing, bing. It's standoff. It's really standoff. Just say that daddy's home. Oh. Oof. Mm, mm, Hey, I got it! Yes, sir. Yeah. If I was there, bro, I'm dead. The JK got 1v1 yung... Wait, what? Did you say that dad is home? The I look per dang. Look. Oh, he almost died. Oh, nah. I saw this in Coin. Dang, my bro. Dang. Nah. You're choking, bro. You're not bad, bro. You're just choking, bro. Whoa. What do you mean you're trying to spam? Whoa. What do you mean AI? Bro, why am I too close to people that are hitting the... Palmer was going close to the people that are hitting the ball. Nyanyi, what the hell is that, Akbil? Ooh, dang. It's like small but big. I'm dead. Now my boy is hitting every ball. Imagine hitting every ball. Where? Dude, where? Dang. It's a RNG mode. Wait, so you spin and then you run? Now I'm gonna get another addiction, bro. You know I love gambling, bro. Oh, bro, you're choking, bro. You're choking, bro. Like you're actually choking, bro. You're choking. Nah, you're choking, bro. Like actually. Well, you're really lagging. Then how do you prove it? Then how do you prove it? Oh dang! I killed Cole. Dang, bro, you're so bad. You're so what? Well, why did Jacob actually go tryhard mode? Bro, why did Jacob go tryhard mode, bro? Bro, why did Dude, I'm saying... Yo, I won, bro. Why did my bro say Tomatoma, bro? Why did my bro say Tomatoma? San Tomas, ha! Us, 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 us. Yo, this is water, bro. I'm. Oh, whoa, 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 what? Mm. Let's go, let's go. You cooked it, bro. You were the first one to die. Is it cartoon? I know Big Box Battle, but is it cartoon? Maybe become a bird for once. Bro, he's trying to target me, but he can't because he's not shooting it up. Oh, no, he's gonna target me. Oh, oh, to the O. Oh, to the O. Oh, to the O. Oh, to the O. Oh, oh. Dang, two of them died. One of them said, "No, I'm dead." One of them said, "Yeah, I'm gonna die with you." Whoa, 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 call. I just got lucky. Bro, I was lagging. Bro, I was lagging, bro. I was lagging. Nakatulala. Bro, I need so. Oh, wait. Wait, I should have not said that, bro. But I should have not said that, bro. I should have not said that. Nah, so your baby daddy's home. My bro Reese. Oh, dang. Well, RP Cole. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? POV regarding Stephen Curry. Bro, shut up. Oh, oh my god, I'm so close. Dude, almost somebody said, yo, baby daddy's son. Whoa, what the heck? That was like a conspiracy, like, bajillionaire. Now I'm gonna kill this emo girl. I'm in love with the emo girl. Oh, dang. I'm in love with the emo girl. Ah, I'm in love with the emo girl. Ah, ah. Dude, that was a. I'm so safe. I'm safe. I can't even charge my. Nah, I can't even charge. This is rigged. This is rigged. Guys, I need to be like this because I can't charge. It's not in the dark screen. No. I need to spot. Oh, I win. Oh my god. I was about to charge and I win. I think you choked. I think you choked at to me. Let's go. By the way, guys, we have. By the way, the rob. Boy, we have a new Roblox event, right? It's coming at 3 days, but I think 3 days. Because I think it's December. It's May 21 to us. Probably your guys is May 20. At United States it's May 20. At us it's May 21. So I don't know if Roblox is gonna do it at 23. Yeah, it's gotta be the Roblox event OG. Whoa! Nahide. Bro, why you so some? Bro, you're saying spam as the food? You're saying daddy's mom. Don't hit me. Very good. Bro, the pro player, Cole, is quite choking because last time he died. Bro, this is like the thing now. But he choke. Bro, my bro, he choke. Bro, that is so bad, bro. If you choke, bro, it's bad, bro. If you choke, it's bad. What is this? New modes weekly. Server section. Oh, you could do rank, you could do training mode, you could do nothing because I'm not going there.